How to enumerate an object's properties in Python. I see # we do it through reflection. In JavaScript it is simple as. How to do it in Python.
Be aware that in some rare cases there's an underscore slots underscore property. Such classes often have no underscore dict underscore.
There is the simple way. See here. Guide to Python introspection.
See inspect.getMembers object, predicate. Return all the members of an object in a list of name, value, pairs sorted by name. If the optional predicate argument is supplied, only members for which the predicate returns a true value are included.
For one-liners.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.